Guys, how to verify your TikTok account on your TikTok app. Now, doing this is very simple, but before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our other tutorial videos, which might be very helpful for you guys. Now, let's start. So to first verify your TikTok account, what you need to do is have a TikTok account. And assuming that you already do have a TikTok account, let's just get into it. Now, first open your TikTok. Now, after you start your TikTok, you will need to go to your profile section that's on the bottom right. After you click on it, there will be 3 horizontal lines on the top right. Click on it. There you will see a gear icon on the top right again. Just click on that settings option. And under the account section, you will see an account option. Click on that. There you will see user information. Again, click on that. Now here you need to add your phone number, and after you add your phone number, you will need to add your email. Now after you've linked it with your email, you will be able to verify your TikTok account. So after what you need to do is first add your phone number, then also add your email address. Then you should be able to verify your TikTok account. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like below. Bye bye.